Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spend tokens in Expedition 33. Let me just give a heads up to you that the tokens we're going to be talking about will only be relevant close to the end of the prologue, where after the Gomaj, you will find yourself at the harbor, mourning the lives of those that were taken away. Now it's very easy to get these tokens. Once you've reached here, you're pretty much presented with one token right off the bat. There are 3 tokens in total, and you can get the other 2 from this man right here if you can answer all the questions in his quiz.
You're kidding. This is your book.
Yes.
67.
Brilliant.
What are you talking? Expedition.
Correct. What is...
Abilities you internalize by using a Pictos in battle after enough time.
And after you beat Mael in a duel. Now onto the topic of spending them. If you approach these stalls at the side, they will offer you with trinkets in exchange for a token. It's a simple sequence of dialogue from here and you won't miss it. And that's pretty much about it on how to spend tokens in Expedition 33.